Hey friends, if you wish to remove tab stops in Google Docs, then please watch this video. Now I'll tell you what a tab stop is. Like I have written my name Karan Khanna is here. So I use tab stops here. This is the left tab stop. This is the center one in which it absolutely centers all the text. And this is the right one. If you start typing from here, it will type on the right. So if I wish to remove these tab stops, if you check, there is absolutely no option to do that. All you can do is simply click on the tab stop and pull it out of the document, and then it's gone. Okay, and now if you start typing anything here, it will still pick it up from the tab stop. But if you were to remove that and what do we say, try it from a different line, then it wouldn't do the same. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.